Hey guys, welcome back to our channel this day. Today we'll be talking about HTML Plus and how to fix connection issues on your HTML Plus application. And so we'll be showing you three main ways for you to be able to fix this connection issue on HTML Plus. As you can see, we cannot connect on our HTML Plus application. So we'll be showing you three main ways that you can do this connection fixing problem on HTML Plus. And so we'll be back right after the intro. Okay guys, welcome back. And so we'll be showing you how to fix your connection issues problem on HTML Plus. So the first way that I'll be showing you guys will be by updating your application. You should always make sure your application on HTML Plus is updated. So how will you update your application? You go to your Play Store application, and you go to your Play Store application. You search for HTML Plus. Search for HTML Plus, and you always make sure that your HTML Plus application is up to date. Because if your HTML Plus application is not up to date, then you will have difficulties in connecting at times. So you search HTML Plus and you check whether it is updated. As you can see, mine is updated, but if yours is not updated, you will see here update. You see we're showing directly here that you should update your application. Well, this is the first way that I'll be showing you how to update your HTML Plus, how to update your HTML Plus and to fix your connection issues. And if you've done so and you still cannot connect to HTML Plus, the next thing that you will do will be to clear your app's cache. You go to your app and you clear the app cache. So how is it done? Just follow here, exactly as I'm doing here. You see storage and cache. Then you see down here as they show here, clear cache. Just quickly hit on it. Just don't bother about this, because clearing cache does not disrupt anything in your application. It does not disturb or uninstall your application. Just move some damaged files, maybe some old stuff about the application that throughout your history you're browsing with. Maybe because of it your application could not connect. So those are the first two ways that you can use to fix your connection issues on HTML Plus. And so the last way that we'll be showing you is a little bit more complicated, and this will be showing you we'll be showing you to check whether your configuration files are up to date. Well, we will not be showing you all those details. We will not be showing you all of those details right now. All we will do is that we will go to the link to our previous video that we did, because we already made a video on how to connect on HTML Plus, and we will provide the link of this video in the description below. And for us, all we will do is that we will quickly check to see if there is a problem, or maybe if we have to make a configuration somewhere. At least we already configured our custom payload for this, so all we have to do is just to configure it very well as we showed it in our previous video. And after I've configured it, you can quickly click on start, and all you have to do is to check, and if everything goes well, you see connected. And once it's connected, you can quickly continue browsing and enjoying your free internet. Okay guys, thank you, and make sure that before leaving, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos and for more articles and videos as such. We'll see you in the next one.